Temporia.
Sorry, Miss Salsa, your mic is off. Can you turn on again your mic? Mic-nya mati Kak Salsa.
Sorry.
Oke. Tadi sampai Temporia. You said about you use Temporia products.
I use Temporia as spray. I forget the seeds because there is on my bed. I use Temporia and then OMG. Everyone use that OMG. Itu shade latte and then shade I forget the shade too. Maybe done. Three times ya. Sisa 3 menit lagi ya. Sorry, boleh masuk? Makanya Salsa.
Oh, belum.
Oke,
Belum Pia. Masih ada kurang lebih 3 menit Pia. Nanti kalau udah selesai baru nanti Pia bisa masuk. Ada pas 5 menit lagi Pia.
Oke, sorry.
Yes, no problem Pia. You can continue
So
your speak.
Can answer Alifia.
What Salsa? Pardon?
I can answer the question from Alifia.
You can answer after your time is running out. Yeah,
Okay.
you can continue to talk.
Okay, next I use my eyebrow. It's from should I bought my watch? Okay, wait. Okay, this is my blush. This is from Jigidol, shade 44. It's cool tone, yes. And then my mascara is from Eclair. It's called mascara. This is so light pink and give your volumizing your yeah. And then this is my eyeliner. It's from Panasonic. And yeah. I always use lip gloss, and this is my recommended. It's from Demi Beauty and Temporia.
Okay, wow, very good Salsa. Okay, so because your time is running out, so I will start the timer again for 5 minutes. and you have time. And also Olivia, this is your you can ask your question with Salsa at this time. Okay, I will turn on the timer again.
Thank you, Daniel.
Okay.
So I want to ask to Salsa, how about your question in daily activity? In daily activity, I don't wear fashion. I always use my twig cake from Stima. You can use this uh, redness, and it gives flawless makeup. Yeah, thank you, Salsa.
By the way, guys, you can also ask a question, same like Olivia, to Salsa. If Keisha have a question, or Maharani, or Mutiara, or Rizka, or maybe Miss Mutia maybe have a
Can I ask
question,
a question?
you can ask. Yeah, you can ask the question.
Sure. Okay. For Kak Salsa, are you wearing a face mask? Face mask. I don't use face mask or lip mask. Ah, no. Thank you. I want to ask Salsa, how about your skin texture and your skin type? My skin texture and skin type. My skin type is dry and yeah, dry and oily in the so I don't learn skincare too far. Like when you have when you have apa ya, jerawat, I don't learn like that. So if I feel this skincare cocok, I use the is the
Iski mata kipas ki. Okay, I think I have a question too for you, Salsa. May I? Okay, so Salsa, my mom also have a dry skin, but sometimes when she try to put a makeup on her face, when she want to go to an event like a wedding event, she always go to makeup like a makeup artist, like a makeup artist to help her to doing her makeup. When she use a makeup artist, the result is so good. my mom really liked the result from her, but my mom feel so hard to try to put a makeup by herself. For dry skin, you have a recommendation about maybe what should she use? Is it foundation or cushion or like you say tweakik?
So your mom but her face is dry.
Yeah, dry.
Ah, for me it's about the skin preparation, because you you when you want to make up, the skin preparation is about the sunscreen or the moisturizer, and the skin preparation for me is, for your mom, it's moisturizer, because for me moisturizer is really important when you want to use makeup. And this the moisturizer using before the makeup.
Oh, I see. Okay, thank you so much for your answer, Salsa. Okay, guys, because the time is over, so we will continue to the next person. We'll practice. Okay. So I will back to the spinner. By the way, you're doing good, Salsa. Okay, get ready, guys, for the next. Okay, I will span again. Okay, Rizka, this is your turn. But we will spin again to choose who will choose the question for Rizka. Okay, I will spin again. Okay, wait, guys. I will spin again. Oh, not Rizka again. No. I will spin one more. Because it's supposed to be different person to choose the question. Okay, Mutiara, you can choose the question for Rizka. Okay, Mutiara and Rizka, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, Mutiara, you can choose the topic. I will share my screen. Nah,
Okay.
this is the topic. You can choose for Rizka.
Okay. Halo Kak. Try to tell me, how do you spend your free time?
How do you spend your free time? Okay, Rizka, are you ready? Okay, thank you, Mutiara. Okay.
So you want me to tell you about what the activity that I do when it's my free time. Is it right?
Yeah, that's right, Rizka.
So actually, when I have a free time, I usually do my hobbies, of course. One of the most that I do is reading a novel. Sometimes in my free time, I read a fiction book like that, a novel, so I can like stop playing my handphone for a while and then just in my bedroom like 24 hours and then not doing anything, just read my favorite novels and then yeah, just me and my but when I cannot focus on the book, sometimes I feel bored when I see a lot of words in my book. So I just enjoy my free time with crocheting. Do you know it's like use a kind of small flower with crochet something and then make a keychain like a flower keychain from crochet and then but that needs a lot of time to make just a small keychain. So yeah, for make it, sometimes I do not do it 24 hours in a day, so I just hours in a day and then stop and then continue it in the next day. Because crocheting like make me tired, but it can make the time feel really fast. I mean, when I have a lot of free time, it can make me uh, spend it like I do not feel that time is really long. I mean, when I crochet something, it's just the time feels so fast. Do you get it? And then what else? Sometimes when it's my free time, I spend it cooking with my sister and then just talking with my mom. I think it's like a charge my energy. I feel I feel more comfortable because I can share a lot of things with them while cooking. Yeah, I can learn new things because my sister's ability about cooking is better than me, so study. So I learned uh, so many things from her. And then yeah, just like I said before, while cooking, you can share so many things about your activity in campus or her activity at schools, and then my mom can yeah give us suggestion, can share a lot of things, we can talk so many things. It's really comforting, and it's not only uh, it's not only uh, spend the time, but also give a good memory for me. I think that's all. When you
Okay, wow, that's very good. You have so many activity that you do when you have a free time, especially the crochet one. Wow, that's so creative. Okay, guys. So because the time is over, so I will start the timer again for 5 minutes, and all of you guys, you have a chance to ask a question to talk with Rizka. Okay.
Can I ask the question for Rizka?
Yes, of course. You can.
Okay, thank you. Rizka, what kind of novels do you like?
It's not really into romance, but it's like just a melodrama, like autobiography about
Rizky, tolong ambil colokan ki.
someone. I mean,
Rizky,
not the real person, but the novel tells
Rizky,
a
Rizky.
whole life story about someone. I love
Ambil colokan bulat ada di bawah sampiran. Tolong cabut ke? Gak usah nih. Minta masuk.
character survive in their lives. So I love that kind of novel.
Rizka, do you like novel Terelie?
Oh, that's my favorite.
Wah.
What novels Terelie?
Sorry, Alivia.
Yeah.
Pardon me, I cannot hear it.
Gimana?
Boleh diulang pertanyaannya?
Oh ya, oke. Which one novels Terelie do you like?
Almost all of them, but the most I like is Tentang Kamu. You know it? Tentang Kamu. That's the best one.
Okay, Rizka, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Olivia. Someone have a question for Rizka too? Maybe Mutiara or Salsa or Miss Mutia. You have a question for Rizka?
Next question. You thought that your sister being cooking is better than you. What specifically difference? Or for example, your sister is better in frying. So for example, when she fries chicken, she has a very golden brown crunchiness or something. So what makes you say that your sister is better in cooking than you?
My sister have a good cooking skills in baking, because we know that baking needs a pattern. I mean, really specific, really detailed, really detailed. We, for example, we need 2 spoons of something or 2 kilograms of something, and she really good at it. And then I'm the person that cannot remember something detail like that. I just put it. I think it's enough, and then I put just. I think it's already solved. No, I cannot. I do not good at baking. That's it.
So specifically for the measurement, right? Any experience? For example, when you cook together with your sister, your donut, for example, maybe like fries or something. Any experience with?
We have made a pie. You know, like a pie. The the part of the outside of the pie is the cracky one. That's my sister make it good. I mean, it can what we call it can be the place for the flour.
The part is it?
Yeah, that one. And then mine that I make it, it's what we call find the particle well.
Okay. Okay, because the time is over. Okay, thank you Rizka and Miss Mutia. And because the time is over, we will move to the next
And then I think
person.
the mic is on.
Oh, yo. Oh yes, I'm so sorry. Okay, guys. So because the time is over, I would like to say thank you for Rizka and Miss Mutia, and we will move to the next person. Okay, I will start the spinner again. Who will be the next? Teng neng 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 neng. Oh, Rizka udah. Okay, we will spin again. Okay, Olivia, this is your turn. And who will choose the question? Who will choose the topic? Oh, it's me. Okay, I will choose the question for you. Okay, are you ready, Olivia?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Okay, wait. I will add some notes. Olivia. Okay. So for the topic, I think I wanna ask you about your favorite animals. Maybe I'm curious. Maybe you love animals, and what kind of animals that you like and why you like it, and are you interesting to take care of the animals that you like? Okay, that is the question.
Okay. First, I have animals in my home. This is a cat. Lebih tepatnya itu kitanya masih kecil, masih baby. And I think cat very cute, and cat juga bisa cat can menjadi obat buat dia, for me,
Hah?
sebagai kayak kalau lagi stres itu bisa menenangkan pikiran gitu, like animals kan. And then maybe sometimes cat my cat itu suka menggigit tangan karena dia masih baby, but but cat itu very cute karena masih bayi itu kan, masih baby. And then kucing my cat itu kerjaannya cuma eat and sleep. Karena ya you know lah apa yang bisa dikerjain kucing kan, selain eat and sleep gitu. And then apa lagi ya? Oh ya, my cat warnanya itu color is white and black. Nah, di bagian badinya itu warna white, tapi di bagian headnya itu warna black. And fun fact, my cat is suka like apa ya, kayak menyelinap di bawah kasur. Jadi one day itu pernah kejadian dia membuka open kandangnya gitu, terus tiba-tiba my cat kabur gitu. My cat run in my bed, under my bed. Terus yaudah, awalnya dia panik kan, kayak shock, wah mana nih my cat kok hilang gitu kan. kasur karena Via susah buat keluarnya kan di bawah kasur, jadi ya pancinglah my cat itu pakai tali buat dimain-mainin gitu. And then my cat itu perlahan keluar gitu kan. Terus setelah dia keluar, mungkin yang baru mau angkat nih, dia lari lagi, kayak dia dibuat kayak mainan bagi dia gitu, kayak ya apa ya, kejar-kejaran sama kucing gitu kan. Sebenarnya capek ya kalau mengejar-ngejar terus gitu, tapi disitulah letak asyiknya, disitulah letak funnya ketika after tired pulang magang gitu, back to magang dan ketemu my cat itu I feel makes me happy because my cat very very cute and ada aja tingkahnya gitu kan di setiap harinya. And then apa lagi ya, my cat juga itu hobinya watching TV,
Oh.
watching television. And one day dia tuh pernah buka saluran TV film, lebih tepatnya itu Pinipin, dan dia iseng taruh my cat itu di kasur in my bed, dan dia watching television juga gitu, nonton film Upin Ipin juga, dan nggak kedip sama sekali. Kayak dia pikir ini kucing kayak my cat itu bisa paham gitu dengan film yang dia tonton gitu kan, dan dia anteng banget, my cat very very anteng, dan kayak okay, my cat hobinya nonton but my cat itu very very cute. And then apa lagi ya, Daniel ini berapa menit lagi ya, dia udah bingung nih mau nyampein apa.
That is 20 seconds. There's 20 seconds left.
Mas mungkin itu menjadi satu-satunya buat curhat ketika next bad feeling.
Okay, Via, your time is over.
Sudah curhat seperti itu.
Okay, so because the time is over, huh? Yeah, no problem. You can try slowly, you know. Yeah, no problem. Okay, so because the time is over, I will start the timer again, and this is a chance for all of you guys to ask a question for Via.
Can I ask a question? Sure.
Okay, who?
Alivia, actually, I'm not animal lover, so I'm still confused about what is the kitten eat. I mean, is it just like the big cat? Is it already eat the fish or the fish, or the kitten needs the milk like a baby, like that? What that the kitten eat? Okay. Thank you, Rizka, for your question. I think my kitten ketika dia makan itu I kasih ayam rebus ke my kitten. Because my kitten very very like to eat ayam rebus, and then ayam rebus itu kan teksturnya itu very very soft. Nah, dari tekstur itu my cat bisa makan dengan mengunyahnya itu lebih cepat dicerna oleh tubuhnya.
Is it different for a kitten like baby cat or the mature cat for the food? What is the difference? What is the difference? Or even the cat it's still a baby, it can eat. It already can eat chicken, like you say.
Okay. It's a vegetable.
Yes. Yes.
Can I answer?
Yes.
Question? Okay, thank you. I don't know perbedaan kitten and kucing yang sudah besar gitu.
Mm-mm.
Di cat. But I think kalau kitten itu karena dia apa ya? Kitten itu kan giginya tuh belum terlalu banyak ya, belum terlalu puas di cat gitu kan, kucing yang besar. Jadi apa ya, kitten itu kalau makan tuh teksturnya harus yang halus, harus yang soft.
I see.
Nah, beda kalau yang big cat, dia memiliki gigi yang keras, yang udah utuh sempurna. Jadi like big cat bisa makan apapun. Contohnya like example tulang, bones, or maybe snack crackers. Nah itu. But kalau kitten itu belum terlalu bisa karena dia belum memiliki gigi yang utuh sempurna kuatnya gitu.
Oh, I see. Okay, thank you for your explanation. Okay, guys, you have a question maybe for Olivia, Salsa, Mutiara, Keisha, Miss Mutia. You have a question for Olivia?
I have a question for Kavya. Does your cat have a name?
My cat name?
Yes.
Okay, thank you for your question. Okay guys, my kitten is Chomel.
Huh?
Yeah, my kitten is Chomel.
Comel.
Oh, then Romel.
That's right. Terus ya, seperti yang Pia bilang di awal, dia itu sangat banyak tingkahnya, sangat lucu juga. Jadi, I memberi nama Chomel.
Yeah, that's a perfect name.
Name.
That's right. Nah, itu dari awal. Itu dia memberi nama Chomel.
Okay, thank you, Via. Okay, I'm sorry, Via, because the time is over. So thank you for your explanation, and thank you also for me for ask the question, right? I forgot. I'm so sorry. Okay, and for the next, I will open the spinner again. Will be the next. Oh, Salsabila already. Salsabila. Oh yeah, already. We have to spin again. Okay, Kesha, this is your turn. Kesha, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, but before you start, I will choose who will choose the question for you. Not you. I will spin again. It's supposed to be different person. Oh my god. Okay, I'm sorry. Wait, guys. Tiara already. Okay, Salsa, you have to choose the question for Kesha. Salsa, are you ready?
Ready.
Okay.
Okay, Keisha. Can you explain how your college life?
What is the question, Salsa?
For Keisha, can you explain your college life? Kehidupan di perkuliahan Keisha.
Okay, you get the question, Kesha? If you get it, you can start.
Ya deh.
Okay, I will start the timer.
Thank you, Kak Salsa. I think that's a very interesting topic. Okay. I would like to share a little bit about my college life in English education. Studying in this major has been both a challenge and a blessing for me. When I first entered college, I felt nervous because I realized that English is not about only grammar and what else, vocabulary, but also about culture, about the communication skill. However, over time, I have learned to enjoy the process, right?
Yeah.
And then in my daily life as a student, I spend a lot of time reading article and writing essay, and then I also like listening to the music, and then watching series series Netflix
Wow.
in subtitle in English, and sometimes it feels uh, I don't know, it feels so hard, but okay. And one of the best part of studying English education is that I can improve my confidence in communication. What else? Another important part is teaching practice. As English education student, we are turned to be teacher in the future, right? I still remember my first micro teaching class. It was difficult, but it gave me a valuable experience. It taught me how to manage a class, prepare lesson plans, and understand especially student needs. Itu lagi, Kak. What else? I think that's all. My college experience is also about friendship and teamwork. I meet many friends who share the same passion for English, and together we support each other. Uh, we often practice English conversation, like share a book, and sometimes even prepare for competition. Like, this experience make me college life more meaningful and enjoyable.
colleagues' life is not always perfect. There are stressful days, sleepless nights, and moments about doubt. However, every challenge has shaped me into someone stronger. I have learned to manage my time, balance between study and personal life, and stay motivated, and even when things get difficult. And it is not just about mastering a language, but also about building characters and preparing for the future, right? It's gonna be a English teacher, right? And I feel grateful for every experience I have had, and I believe that all of this moment will help me become not only better. I think that's all. Thank you.
Okay, wow, that's very good, Keisha. Okay, because the time is over, so I will start the timer again, and all of you guys, you can ask the question for Keisha.
Hi, Keisha. I heard you have some experience teaching students because you thought that you also a teacher, right? I have several experience also teaching students for 6 years. So I teach English also, and I have an experience that I have ever made someone cry. It's because only my tone. My tone is so high because you don't have polytones, right?
Yeah.
I ask questions like, do you ever have experience making student cry or maybe making students fighting because something that you did? Do you have any traumatic experience for them?
I don't have make kids cry. Alhamdulillah, belum pernah kak.
Any other experience, for example, that maybe feel like I regret to be a teacher, or it is a wrong way for me to choose a teacher? It's something regression being a teacher. Do you have any experience with that?
Yeah, I feel like I think it's wrong choice to be a teacher, right? Kayak kadang mikirnya, oh my god, it's wrong choice, or I don't know. I feel like yeah, sometimes yeah.
So what makes you strong today?
I think my mom, ibunya Keisha dulu tuh pengen jadi guru, tapi nggak kesampaian. Jadi alhamdulillah Keisha bisa kuliah, jadi terusin my mom dreams like that.
Nice. Good luck, Keisha.
Thank you. Any question, guys?
If Kak Mutia asks about like something bad experience, I wanna ask you about the good one. It was memorable or something that you think that, wah, this is the reason that I wanna be a teacher. Is there a good experience about education?
I think when I fish swimming in like cerita kolam langit Kak Salva, kayak ngajar setiap minggu tuh kayak ada hal-hal yang kayak oh bisa nih ternyata menjadi guru gitu. Kadang ngerasa kayak gitu kayak pujian dari anak-anak like that, dan sapaan-sapaan mereka Kak, itu yang buat Keisha stronger.
Wow.
Thank you for the question, Kak.
Very cool. Any question, guys? Any question for Keisha? Salsa, Mutiara, or Alivia, you have a question?
Can I ask to Keisha? Yeah, Keisha start here. Okay, Keisha. Keisha, what does Keisha expect after entering the education sector? Sorry, can you repeat again? Can you repeat again? Okay, can you repeat again? What does Keisha expect after entering the education sector? Sorry. Ya, jadi intinya itu seperti ini. Apa yang Keisha harapkan nih setelah Keisha itu terjun ke bagian pendidikan?
Yang Keisha harapkan, I think it is not just about mastering language, right? But also building characters and preparing for the future. I feel grateful for every experience I have had, and I believe that all of this moment will help me become not only better English teacher, but also a better human being. I think that's all.
Okay, thank you, Keisha and Alivia and Miss Mutia that for this session. Okay, because the time is over, so we will move to the next person. Okay, who will be the next? Okay, I think this is my turn. This is my turn, and we will choose who will choose the question for me. Siapa ini sudah? Okay, Alivia. Okay, Alivia, can you choose a question for me or a topic for me? Yes. What is the question, Via?
Sorry, tadi tentang apa aja?
Oh, okay. Okay, you can see the topic on the screen.
I want to choose the topic is your birthday.
Oh, my birthday. What is the question? What is the questions? About my birthday. Okay, I think I will start to answer the question.
keep Daniel,
Mm-mm.
what's your topic? Your birthday.
Mm-mm.
And then the question is, what was the most interesting about your birthday?
Oh, the most interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, so exactly. Not gonna lie, I really interested. The most interested part of my birthday is I will wait for my friend or my family or my siblings to celebrate my birthday because it's really fun. It's really fun when we got a surprise and we got to celebrate from our friend or our family. I think I feel so loved, and I feel so happy at that day, and also because I really like a cake, I also choose the cake being the most interested part also of my birthday because at the day I can eat a lot of cake. I can eat a lot of cake from my family, and at the day also I can request to my mom to making a cake, even though maybe my mom is busy with her activity. Maybe she have to clean up the house, to clean up our home, but I will request to her to make a brownies because I really like brownies cake. And if she really busy, I will help her to make the cake too. So so it feels like um, because I really want to cake. I will not only waiting for my mom to making the cake, but I also put some effort to get it. And by the way, my birthday is at 17th of October 2024. Maybe we are at the same age, or maybe you wanna congratulate me on my birthday. Don't forget, guys, because it's in a few days. Yeah, I think it's a half of month. Yeah, so I will turn to 21. Yeah, I forgot about my age. I'm so sorry. Yeah, so I really hope when I had my birthday, I will become more confident. I will become more better by better version of myself from the old version. So I think that's really interesting. Yeah, sometimes we also realize that when we had a birthday, we also maybe lose a time to live at Earth. Yeah, when we remember our religion. Yeah, sometimes we have to also remember about that sad fact. Yeah, that sad fact that we don't have many time anymore to live, and we have to pray more and prepare for to akhirat. Yeah, I think not only happy but also a sad fact that we have to remember on our birthday. Okay, so because my time is over, I will start to turn on the time again, and all of you guys, you can ask a question for me. Okay, anyone have a question?